Hi everyone, this is Janus and welcome to Graphic 45. I'm here to show you my process on creating this junk journal cover using Graphic 45's Woodland Friends. I used the 12 by 12 collection pack and stickers for this project along with the Woodland Friends chipboard and die cut assortments. A few added items I used is a piece from the journaling and ephemera cards and some matte pearl gems. So the first thing that I needed was an aqua faux leather piece. I feel like this is the color that complements the collection. I also wanted to go for dark green, but I didn't have any ready at the moment, so I chose this one instead. So the measurement is 12 by 7.5 inches, and I cut up a piece of the Be Beautiful paper with the same measurements. And just to protect it from wear and tear, I used a photo glitter top over it. This is a cold laminating film. So I'm just scraping my ruler over the lamination to get rid of any air bubbles. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it sparkles when it catches the light. I often do this with my DIY journals that I create because the covers are mostly exposed to dirt, dust, and this is an easy way for you to protect the paper and minimize damage. So it kind of saves it from scratches and allows it to become more waterproof. Anyway, the next thing to do is glue it onto the back portion of my faux leather. Once that's glued in place, I have some lace in aqua color as well, and I hand stitch them to make ruffles. And these ruffles are going on the edge of my cover. Now it's time to place the strings. You can opt to stitch your journal pages in at this point. As for me, I always like being able to replace the inserts inside my journal, so I used an elastic band to hold my pages in place. I often place multiple strings on my journals, but for today I'm going to go try and doing a single one. So I just punched holes onto the top and bottom center part of my journal and also at the center to tie off my string and lock it into place. Once that's done, it's time to decorate. So I start off with a focal point on my decoration. In this case, I chose this gorgeous butterfly from the chipboards and placed a pearl gem on the hole. Since I don't want to attach any string to it, I just kind of wanted to cover that up. Next, I added in this leaf wreath die cut I've had for a while, but I never used. I'm sure you all can relate to that. Anyway, then I used some of these gift fillers. I think this is holographic, and I just kind of crumpled and roughened it up, and then I glued that into place. I then used some hard tool and turned it into this tatered piece here, and then used a journal card and a portion of the Be Happy paper, and then just glue them in place like so. I really like placing tatered pieces on my decorations because it gives off that effortless rustic feel to it. So at this point, it's just about building layers onto this design. So you'll see that I just add in stickers and die cuts, also some of the Bon Voyage and French blue rose bouquet flowers. Once I'm happy with my design, I'm going to glue it into place. So my front cover is the right portion of this spread. Okay, so at this point, gluing the design onto the leather doesn't really hold for long using hot glue. So at the end of this project, I still reinforced it with some E6000. So if you're planning to try and doing this project, I do suggest having a heavy duty glue at hand. So last thing to attach to this journal is the lace ties. I added some more pearl gems on each side to give it more decoration. And this is done. So yeah, any notebook or journal insert you have around that's around B6 in size will definitely fit into this journal cover. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Graphic 45's YouTube channel. Follow us on social media, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!